Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm Gary Zimmerman. With me is Rich Wu, our Director of Engineering. You're all looking to take something home from this conference, something of value that can help you, your clients, and your readers. Today, we're going to share with you a new system that can help you earn more on the cash portion of your portfolio while keeping it FDIC insured. It's a simple system, yet incredibly powerful, and it has the potential to change the way that Americans manage their cash in the bank while earning billions of dollars of incremental interest. That system is called Max, and we'd like to share it with you for the first time today. Max can help you maximize the interest that you earn on your cash in the bank automatically, even as interest rates change. It also helps you insure larger amounts of cash by spreading it across multiple FDIC-insured institutions. And best of all, Max doesn't require you to change the way in which you interact with your existing checking account, so direct deposit, bill pay, and access to tellers and notaries remain unchanged. The top 1.5 million households in America are sitting on a staggering $1.5 trillion of cash and cash equivalents, most of it vastly under-earning its potential. By taking advantage of the lower cost structure of online banks, Max is able to deliver an incremental 80 basis points of yield. For those households, that would mean an extra $12 billion of interest income each and every year. Max keeps client cash safe, but it's also great for banks as well, helping attract new clients, retain existing clients, and increase wallet share in the brokerage business. And all of this is accomplished without the cost of traditional broker deposit systems. So, how does it all work? Well, first of all, Max is not a bank. Max never takes custody of client funds. Max is simply a technology platform that leverages existing banking infrastructure to foster a more efficient allocation of cash. Max monitors interest rates daily and periodically instructs your banks to send cash between one another to help keep it optimized. Setup is simple. First, you start with your existing checking account. To it, you link a number of online savings accounts that are fully FDIC insured, and this forms a hub and spoke system. It's a closed ecosystem of your own accounts that helps keep cash safe. Let's log into Max and see what it looks like for a user on the inside. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see your existing checking account with a real-time balance. Simply tell Max how much money you like to keep in checking, effectively your personal monthly working capital, and Max automatically helps sweep the excess cash to a basket of online savings accounts that you hold directly in your own name. Below, you'll see these accounts listed. Max monitors interest rates daily and force ranks the list by interest rate. There's no pay to play. By default, Max also keeps the balances in each bank account below the FDIC limit so that principal plus accrued interest remains insured. Max is customizable, so if you decide that you don't care so much about FDIC insurance, you can simply uncheck a box, and Max will optimize purely for rates. Let's look at the optimization history, because this is really where the magic in Max lies. We've developed a patent-pending algorithm that automatically allocates cash across banks to maximize yield within the confines of FDIC insurance and meet your desired target checking account balance on a monthly basis. You can monitor at any time and click on any of the optimizations, and you can see all of the transfers that Max is instructing and follow their status in real time via these color-coded boxes. If you're curious to know how much Max could earn for you, simply click on Performance Report, and you'll see the weighted average that you're earning through the Max system as compared to the national savings average, which is currently only 11 basis points, or most money market funds that yield a paltry 1 basis point. This is real value, and it's available to you today. Let's go back to the Max dashboard, though, because I want to show you one other feature, which I'm really excited about. We've tried to make this whole system as simple as checking and savings. So if you have a large amount of cash and need multiple bank accounts to keep it safe, you shouldn't have to think about how much am I holding in one bank versus another. Max is smart. So if you, let's say, wanted to buy a car next week and needed $50,000, you simply click on an arrow that points from savings to checking, type in $50,000, and hit transfer. And Max is smart, just like you. So it will first pull funds from the lowest yielding of your accounts, and then from the next lowest yielding of your accounts, and send it to your checking account. And Max works similarly in the opposite direction. This beautiful interface that you see was made with responsive design, which means that what looks good on your desktop or laptop also looks good on your tablet or on your mobile phone with no app download required. And this interface can be customized for banks and other financial institutions so that your logo can say front and center as part of the customer experience. Max currently works with 5 of the leading online banks in America: GE Capital, Barclays, Ally Bank, American Express, and Capital One 360, as well as the 4 largest brick-and-mortar banks in the country: Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, Citibank, and Wells Fargo. Today, we're excited to announce here at Finovate that we welcome customers of First Republic Bank who have become accustomed to their exceptional customer service so that they too can benefit from Max. Over time, we expect to add additional banks and brokerage firms to our platform as well. I have just one more announcement that I wanted to make today, and this one is something that we're particularly excited about. Up until this point, Max has been available by invitation only. But today, here at Finovate, we're lifting the wall, making Max accessible to anyone who cares to use it. We welcome you to come by our booth at the reception afterwards, get to know us, and learn more about our innovative cash optimization solution. Thank you.